Elkomen presents KOBRA 310 TS Professional Shredder, equipped with a touchscreen control panel activating the shredder functions. KOBRA 310 shreds up to 47 sheets at a time. Optical indicators show the shredding load required to optimize shredding. It shreds credit cards, CDs, DVDs, and floppy disks. Shredding can be stopped and reversed just by touching the stop button. Convenient and safe 310mm main throat. When the shreds bag is full or if door is open, shredding automatically stops with an optical indicator. The Energy Smart energy saving system puts the shredder into standby mode just after 8 seconds from the last operation and automatically switches off the machine after 4 hours of non-operation. The control panel shows a paper jam if the cutting knives need to be oiled or if the integrated automatic oiler bottle is empty. 135-liter cabinet. Straight or cross-cut shreds are collected into 2 distinct bins for separating shredded paper from plastic shreds, placed on sliding tracks to make the empty operations easy. Cutting knives are made of carbon-hardened steel, unaffected by staples and metal clips. 24-hour continuous duty motor without duty cycle, and a trade drive system provides strength and durability over the years. Automatic integrated oiler automatically lubricates the cutting knives. Once the oil bottle is empty, an illuminated optical signal warns about the need to replace the bottle inside the cabinet. Automatic feeder holds up to 170 A4 sheets that are automatically shredded. In the meantime, additional sheets can be shredded through the main throat and CDs through the dedicated cutting unit. A special lockable cover protects documents from unauthorized persons, equipped with approved high-security lock. Metal detector warns when large metal objects are accidentally inserted into the entry opening and stops the machine before they reach the cutting knives.